Hello friends, today we'll start with the next topic, that is types of families on the basis. So actually we have seen what is mean by family. So actually see there are different types of families on the basis of the first one is marriage, second one is nature of residence, third one is ancestry, then size or structure, and nature of relations. So depending upon uh, these things, families uh, families are classified as depending upon types of families on the basis of marriage. So type of family on the basis of nature of residence, type of families on the basis of nature of ancestry, type of family on the basis of size or structure and the depth of generations, type of family on the basis of nature of relations. So under this particular thing, marriage, so if you look at this, uh, the first type is polygamous or polygynous family, second one is polyandrous family, and third one is monogamous family. According to the type of nature of residence, uh, the family is classified as matrilocal residence, patrilocal residence, and changing residence. On the basis of ancestry or descent family, it is categorized as matrilineal family and patrilineal family. According to the size or structure and the depth of generation, families are classified as nuclear family and joint family. According to the nature of relations, there is conjugal family and consanguine family. So these are the types of families on the basis of marriage, nature of residence, ancestry, size or structure, and nature of relations. The next topic is type of family. So there are different types of families. You can see the first one is polygamous family, polyandrous family, and monogamous family. In this particular case, polygamy is the form of marriage in which a person has more than one spouse at the same time. पॉलीगैमस फैमिली मतलब ऐसी फैमिली जहाँ पर एक या एक से ज़्यादा पत्नियाँ हो सकती है. When a man has more than one wife, then this relation is called as polygamy. Second type of family is polyandrous. When a woman has more than one husband, it is called as polyandry. Monogamous family, this refers to the single spouse family. So these are the different types of families. On the basis of nature of residence, there are again three types of family: matrilocal residence, patrilocal residence, and changing residence. Under matrilocal residence, husband residing with wife's parent after the marriage. Patrilocal residence, man remains in his father's house after reaching maturity and brings his wife to live with his family after marriage. And the last one is changing residence. Keep changing their residence after marriage. They are not specific to one place and stay away from the ancestor. Depending upon the ancestry, again there are two type of family: ancestry or descent family. So matrilineal family and patrilineal family. Matrilineal family deals with, it follows its ancestry and descendants through the maternal line rather than paternal line. A patril line is literally a father line. One's patriline is one's father and his father and his father. Ad infinitum, one's nearly infinite line of fathers. So this is patrilineal family, and the first one was matrilineal. So if you consider today's world, नाउ इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस, जैसे आप देख सकते हो महाभारत के ज़माने में पहले बोलते थे कुंती पुत्र या मदर के नाम से पहचान मिलती थी. but in the today's era this is a patrilineal family, and in whatever the family sequence today we are family, we are using the patrilineal family. जैसे हम फादर का नाम लगाते हैं, फिर उनके फादर, फिर उनके फादर, सो ये फादर 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 इन्फिनाइट लाइन्स ऑफ फादर जो होता है, दिस इज अंडर patrilineal family. So next point is on the basis of size or structure. Again there are two types of families. So on the basis of size or structure and the depth of generations, the first one is nuclear family and second one is joint family or complex family. Nuclear family, the family unit with parents and children only. So this is called as nuclear family. And the second one is joint family, where parent and children's families often live under a single roof. ऑफन इंक्लूड्स मल्टीपल जनरेशन्स इन द फैमिली, जहाँ पर मल्टीपल जनरेशन्स ऑफ द फैमिली होते हैं, मतलब पिताजी, उनके पिताजी, उनके पिताजी, अंकल, ये सारे जो मिल बांट कर रहते हैं उनको जॉइंट फैमिलीज कहा जाता है. और जो सिर्फ पेरेंट चिल्ड्रन का एक यूनिट होता है, पेरेंट चिल्ड्रन, दे आर कॉल्ड एज न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज.